So put that container there to catch the runoff from the rain. Oh, of course, once I press record, he stops doing it. The Currawongs have been drinking out of it. Oh, here we go. It's his turn now. Oh, I love it. It makes me so happy. Oh, oh my gosh. And their beautiful song. There's like an absolute abundance of water here, but no, they don't want to flap their precious wings to get to the other water. Oh, man. So beautiful. There is so much bird life here. So this is still black down. How do I zoom out? There we go. I like this tree over here with its wonky branch. On my new sticker, where I lay my head is home, I made this sticker myself. Well, I didn't make it myself, but I designed it. Got a sticker man to make it. Makes me feel better about being homeless. It's also lyrics to a very cool song. So if you know it, put it in the comments. I'll be very impressed.